Well, we just had a pretty big storm roll through. I'm going to go out and see if there's any damage. Wow. So the gazebo got blown around. We got a chair there. And looks like the umbrella actually bent. So let's take a look. Looks like there's some things in the pool that don't quite belong. Hearing some fire trucks as well. Still hear the thunder out here. So let's see. Oh, this is wonderful. This is pool deck furniture. Well, I'll be. It's all over the place. Let's see if we can fix this. Hopefully it didn't break. Alright, that's a little better. Of course, pool is completely full of crap. It was clean. The joys of being a pool owner. Oh, and I love this. I hope that's not seriously damaged the pool deck. Let's see. Oh, the water is nice and warm. Oh, this doesn't look good. Hopefully that comes off. Looks like there was a little bit of a scratch there. And this is not supposed to be in the water. However, I don't think I can get this out without getting in the water. I don't think I can reach this. Let's see. This is full of rust. Yeah, I don't think I can get this. Nope, that's too far down. Wonderful. Okay, so that used to be here. Right there in that spot. We'll clean into the pool. Clean into the pool. Wow. This blew over, but this blows over every time the wind blows. This blows over. That's a for surety. That always happens. My little play toys. Huh. Yeah, this pool is full of garbage right now. I hope this did not scratch the plaster. Hopefully that comes off once the rain is over. Yeah, this was one hell of a blow. And those are full. No surprise there. The pool is full. The deep end is full. Water level looks like it went up by ½ an inch or so. And oh boy, that one is full. So that's going to be working for a while to clean that up. The yard looks like it's full of junk. Trees and branches and stuff everywhere. Oh yeah. That is some stuff. This tree looks like it fared pretty well. This one doesn't look like it took any damage. This one looks fine. That one looks fine. And these three look fine. So I think we're probably okay. But that needs to come out of the water. And that needs to come out of the water. So I'm gonna have to put my suit on and go swimming for it. I think I will do that later. I don't know why I'm picking this up. It's just gonna blow later. But I'll blow back over. There's my nice new umbrella. So it looks like it fared okay. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Just wet. Some goggles. They were on the table. At least the chairs didn't blow in. But wow. We had a little bit of a blow. Alright, well, let me go put my suit on, go in the pool and get that out.